Stay, Arlo. Good morning, guys. Actually, it's technically like 12 o'clock now. I'm not much a fantasy for, but it's helpful. It's been a while since MJ's done a track, so I'm gonna set up 2 scent pads and 2 others that are a little bit more stretched. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this guy. I'm gonna disturb. You can probably hear her barking inside, I don't know. She likes to track, and this is mostly a engagement for her to use her noggin because it wears her out. There's one. We're gonna do the second one over here. I'm gonna make it pretty obvious for her today because she hasn't done one since like August. And then the last 2. One here. Boop. Kibbles. Kibbles, kibbles. Kibbles. And a step. And we're gonna jackpot this last one here. And we're just gonna put a bunch right in the toe of it to signify the end. And the last one's gonna go right here. Boom, 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 boom. We're gonna stagger this one a little bit. Skip a step. Back over here. When you have nice days like this, you definitely want to try and take advantage of it. I don't have enough time to go out and take her to the park today. So we're doing some tracking. And she's still pretty newbie at this, so am I. Half the time I don't know what the fuck I'm doing when I'm doing dog sport shit. So I do a lot of behavior stuff. So we're gonna jackpot on the left foot here and end this track. All the extra food that I have in my pocket, my treat pouch, that's for if she pulls off, I can toss it and re-engage into her. heel. Up yeah. Yeah, you want to work? Okay, all right. Up yeah. There you go. Sit. Sook. Good. Sook. Oh. Sook, sook, sook. Yeah. Good. 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 Sook, sook, sook. Sook, sook, sook. Good. I would like to see her tail come up. I don't know how to facilitate that. So we're just gonna keep working on the pad here for a minute. Good. Good girl. Done. Good. Down. Stay. Up here. Heel. I know. She loves this shit. Brain games. Up here. Sit. Sook. Good. Sook. Yes. I want her to go left to right when we're finding this. Good girl. So it's all gone. Sook, sook, sook. If she goes forward first, I'm gonna pin her on it. Good girl. She did not. She went left to right. Good. Good. Ha. She came up. So I'm gonna toss some more down here. Sook, sook, sook. Sook, sook, sook. Yeah. Good. 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 Sook. She went forward, not left. Sook. Good. Heads up. Sook. There you go. Good. I'm gonna continue to pay while her nose is still down, just like the bowl. Good. Tracking absolutely wears her out. She'll be taking a nap after this. I love running her. I love getting her physically tired, but this is something that she just gets so much fulfillment out of. Good. She has a fun time doing it. That's the end of that track. Good. Now the reason I keep popping her back is I think she missed some. Sook. I'm gonna go through here a little bit. One fell out. Probably a few more in there, but we're gonna move on to that one. Eating snow. Goofball. MJ, come here. You ready? You wanna work? Sook, 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 sook. Yes. Her brain's getting tired. Sook, sook, sook. Yes. Good. I see another piece of kibble here. If she jumps forward, I'm gonna pop her on it. Good girl. Yes. Good. Now we're gonna start to move forward here. She's looking for the next. There. Good. You can tell when she hits the edge of the scent where it's laid out from my shoes. And yes, they're Senton shoes. Sook. So her brain's getting super, super tired. She's about tapped. Yes. So she skipped over one there. Sook. Sook. Yes. Good. Yes. Good girl. No. Done. Good. Sook, sook, sook. There she goes. Good. Sook. Good. 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 Now she's starting to slow down a little bit. She's finding the tracks, realizing some of them are empty, and she's getting it done. Good girl. Yes. Sook. Sook. Good. How do I know she's missing some? I don't. I can't even see the So that was wildly inappropriate. Sook, sook, sook. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, there she goes. I'm gonna pay her some more while her head's down. Yes. Good. Good girl. Yes. Good. I'm gonna give her a little extra in the toe here. Sook. Good. Good girl. Yes. We might be at a shot now. But we're almost done. Good. Good girl. Done.